Have you ever wondered why billionaires like Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk legally pay less tax than you, even though you're working 40, 60, or even 80 hours a week? The truth is, the tax code favors the informed. And today on Smart Wealth TV, I'm going to show you exactly how the rich legally pay less tax than the poor, and how you can apply the same strategies to your life. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes. This could literally change how you think about money forever. Subscribe and hit the bell right now. Let's kill the biggest myth first. The rich don't evade taxes illegally. The smart ones don't have to. They just use the tax code to their advantage. And believe it or not, you can too. The poor and middle class earn money as employees and are taxed before they spend. The rich, however, earn as investors or business owners and are taxed after they spend or reinvest. Earn tax, burn, spend tax. Tax is based on taxable income, not total income. So if you know how to reduce your taxable income, you can reduce your tax liability. Examples: an employee earning $50,000 might pay $10,000 in taxes, whilst a business owner making $150,000 can deduct $90,000 in business expenses and only be taxed on $60,000, and often at a lower rate. Strategy number 1, use a business entity. Rich people rarely own things in their own name. Instead, they use LLCs, limited liability companies, or corporations. Through a business, you can deduct rent for a home office, internet and phone, travel expenses, meals, entertainment if business related, and even your car or laptop. Example: John's video editing business earns $50, but he deducts $30K illegally. Result: he only pays tax on $20K. Strategy number 2, invest in assets, not just work for money. Capital gains from selling stocks, real estate, crypto are taxed at lower rates than salary income. Plus, if you hold investments longer than a year, you get long-term capital gains tax, often just 0 to 15%. Some use Roth IRAs, 401ks, or real estate depreciation to defer or eliminate taxes entirely. Strategy number 3, real estate magic. When you own real estate, especially rental properties, you can claim depreciation, even if your property is increasing in value. That means you collect rent and lower your tax bill. Some investors earn thousands per month in rental income, but report a paper loss to the IRS. You can also do 1031 exchanges to defer taxes when selling a property by reinvesting the profit into another one. Most people don't know that. Number 1, hire your kids and deduct their ways. Number 2, deduct education and coaching as business development. Write off a portion of your rent or mortgage. Number 4, get tax credits for solar energy, EVs, etc. So here's the bottom line. The tax code wasn't written to punish people. It was written to reward behavior. The rich simply follow the incentives, build businesses, create jobs, invest in assets, and you can too. Want more in-depth guides, practical money tips, and passive income strategies? Subscribe now to Smart Wealth TV YouTube channel. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs to stop working harder and start working smarter. Subscribe and comment Wealth Smart below.